What were you saying?
But no, look at his eyes. Seriously, look at it. Like, can you zoom into the eye?
No, that's not good enough.
He's like staring at you.
What about his head wiggling?
You're so weird. I'm gonna go throw him away now.
You're not gonna eat it?
No, not videotaping.
No, I just want to make sure you don't like put him in your car and save him for a snack.
That sounds like later.
Throw him in that vacant lot.
That's what I'm gonna do.
So why are you going between the cars? Kendra, I don't trust you. I know what you do with chicken bones. I'm afraid that you will suck the marrow from the bird while its bones are still warm. Ooh, dog poop. What'd you do? Wait a minute, make sure it's so far that Zoe can't get it.
You can't get it, because it's on the other side. Plus it's behind stuff.
You need to go wash your hands so you don't get bird flu.
Yeah, you also need to avoid the dog poop that you're about to step in.
Last time we were out here, who stepped in the dog poop?
No comment.
Weren't you barefoot?
No comment.
How do you step in dog poop barefoot and not know it?
I am that commented. No, I wasn't barefoot, was it?
I don't know. Wow, Kendra, work it good.
Shut up, leave me alone.